In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset or format your laptop before using Windows 11. Just go to your Start menu, right-click on it, then click on Settings. After opening the settings, you need to click on the System option. Then, you just need to go down and find Recovery. Click on Recovery. Here, you'll find the option called Reset this PC. Click on Reset this PC. Then, here you will find two options, Keep my files and Remove everything. So, if you want to delete everything and factory reset your laptop, you will choose Remove everything. But if you want to keep your files, like apps and settings, and also your personal files, you can choose the first option. So, we are going to choose Remove everything. Then, you just need to reinstall your Windows again. So, you can choose the Local Reinstall. Then, this will show you that it will remove apps and files, do not clean the drive, delete all files only from the Windows drive, and reinstall Windows. So, just click Next, and this will show you what it's going to do. Remove all your personal files, all of your accounts, and all the settings, apps, and programs. This will make your PC new, and everything's going to be like new here. So, you just need to click on Reset, and it will just start to reset your PC. It's going to restart your computer several times, and you just have to wait for a couple of minutes. That's it, guys. This is how you can reset your PC. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.